Okay, so the presentation we have here is to help you with your assignment, and that's your main sheet for your assignment with a picture of the keyring on. Okay, so the scenario is about a keyring. It's about a bottle opening keyring. It's fairly simple to manufacture. You're only looking at fitting really where you've got 3 holes to drill, some sewing and some filing. The scenario, if you read your sheet, the scenario says your company has decided to diversify its product range by producing a key ring and bottle opener. The company needs to be competitive, and that's one of the keys, as it believes its product can go global. So it's not just a national or a local product, it's the hope it's going to go global. The key ring is going to be mass produced and will be identical. Each keyring will be identical. The company also wants to be able to supply batches of 10,000 to wholesalers within 7 days. The number in the batch is important to you in your assignment, and the fact that it has to be delivered within 7 days is also important to you when you come to do your assignment. It is expected there will be 5 batch orders per day. So that gives you some kind of idea as towards the quantity per week. So the task, well, your manager is actually to design an appropriate manufacturing system to effectively manufacture the product as they're expecting an international market. That is also a key to doing your assignment. Task 1. Using the above scenario, describe and design of an appropriate system for manufacture that would make the manufacture of the bottle opener keyring more effective for an international market. The first thing you can do is decide whether you're going to make it to stock. Remember what making to stock is? We have a big pile of them waiting to go. Is it going to be making to order? Or are you going to wait till an order comes in? Is it going to be configured to order? Do you remember what configured to order is? Configured to order is the same, but we're going to modify our product. An engineered to order is where we decide what the product is going to be like, although we've got the same product, what it's going to be like before we start manufacturing it, and each one could be slightly different. Also, when you're starting to look at the global market, you need to consider the basic philosophies. If you remember, we talked about the basic philosophies in class. They are local or domestic, regional, national and international or global. And they're the 4 that we talked about. In task 2, really you're asked to show your knowledge. So in task 1 you were only asked really to choose manufactured to stock or manufactured to order, one of the 4. You're only asked to talk about or design one from national, international, local, regional. In task 2, you're asked to go through the other principles and methods and show your knowledge. Okay? Any questions?